back, I hope, at least. Let me see if we can still see us. Yep. Stream is offline. Where is that? Oh, yes, now we're back. So, okay. All right, so where were we, Achim? I think we wanted to show people how to use this new feature, which is what is it? What is it?
Well, actually, it's not a new feature. It's a tech demonstration of what we already can do for a long time. We came along a nice website that generates an overlay for Twitch polls, and here's how it works. So, going back to my screen, you can see that I already set up a mimoLive document. So, Oliver, can you switch to my screen, please?
Yep.
Here we go. So, and also you can see that the website where you can donate also, currently it's just for free. First of all, you need to log in with your Twitch account to make that happen. And how it works is very easy. You start typing in a poll like this. And you specify answers. So the answer should be just one word, for example, because the people in the on the Twitch chat can vote by entering those words in the chat. So let's just use some simple words here. So I created 3 possible answers, and actually you don't start the poll right now. We get the URL for this, and it says do not share with the stream. So this URL here, you do not share this with the stream, because this is makes all the magic. And once you have this URL copied to your pasteboard, you go back to mimoLive and create a new source. That's a web browser capture source. And here in the URL, you paste the URL you just get from the website. Or actually, I forget to mention the URL or the domain name of that this nice website. It's called poll.ma.pe like poll.ma.pe. And once you create the web browser source with that URL you copied from that website, the browser will show nothing right now, because we didn't start the poll until now, because I want you to switch off the mouse cursor for it and switch on this transparency option, which makes the web source transparent automatically. Now we are using the web browser source on top of the layer stack. Still nothing to see. We can switch it live. Nothing to see in the program out. But once I get back to my web page, now I can start the poll and watch what's happening in the program out. Here we go. There is a poll overlay to that, as we specified it just right away here. There are so many options, I can't go through them, but the interesting thing is that the guy who created the site did some particular for some games, so you will find some gaming layouts and color schemes here right now. And now, once this poll is running, people can vote by entering the words in the chat. This is the important part. And then it will be counted here. And once you finish the poll, then it will close it and will show the results. Here we go. And finally, you can hide the poll from the overlay, which removes it also from the program out. So, and this magic just happened because of the magic URL you put in the web browser, and you control it with the browser itself. Yeah, that's about that. So
very nice.
There is not only this particular website doing overlays. There are sport scoring features or stock applications, and they all have the option to have a transparent background, or they do a keying color, which you can use to key with a key, the chroma key in mimoLive, to key the background. But usually it works quite well to just select the transparent icon in the web browser, and mimoLive will remove the background.
All right, very cool, very cool. So meanwhile, since we are back up again, we have a couple of more questions. Eastern Turkey noticed, of course, that we had a crash, and Achim has to do some push-ups for the demo gods, and the answer to what caused this, we don't really know. We have a crash log, and we will, and that's a good thing, because then we can analyze what happened and hopefully remove that bug from the beta. And once we are finished with shipping, with development and shipping a final version, this will not happen again. And this is one of the reasons why we use our own betas, is that we suffer the same as our customers will suffer, and also we get some data we can work on, and hopefully find some problems that we can fix before the final version comes out. And Alfred from Ghana, hi, good, all the best to you. And he writes, my name is Alfred from Ghana and I love mimoLive. Thank you very much, that's very kind of you, and we love to hear that. Can you do tutorials on how all the new features work? That is an excellent suggestion. We try to do it in these live talks, and those are later available for viewing. And recently we've been thinking about maybe cutting out the demos and putting them into separate videos. And also we do our best to provide more video tutorials in the future. All right, I don't have any more questions, and I don't know if the restart of the Facebook event has triggered more people watching there. Let me check if we have feedback on the Facebook page. If so, we will certainly address that. If not, I think we'll call it a wrap for today. The hour is over. The Boinx Live Talks hour is over. And if you guys don't have any more questions, then we'll call it a day for today. Let me see if I can pop out this. All right. Now. Okay. More viewers there. So something was wrong with how we set up the Facebook event, and now there are more viewers there than there were during the entire planned event. And let me check if we can still. Yes, we still.
So if they missed the live stream, they can watch it again on YouTube, we hope.
Yes, exactly. We will post the URL for YouTube. And yes. All right. Thank you, everyone, for watching the show and for posting your questions. Simo Agrim is on Facebook, and now the Facebook comments are coming in. Simo, I'm so sorry. Somehow we screwed up the Facebook stream, and we will post the the recording, cross-post it from YouTube to Facebook, and we are done with the show. So we've covered all the news. I can do a quick recap of what we've covered. We've covered mimoLive 5.1 with the new ISO recording feature, which allows you to record create separate clean record file, reset. Yeah. So, which allows you to create separate recordings for separate video sources. So if you have 3 cameras, you can do 3 different recordings for each camera, and use those for post-production later on. This is one interesting feature we've added, is that you now can also record only audio, and that leads us to the demo of mimoLive 5.2 beta 1, which we did with the new audio podcast template, and that is for you and up to 3 friends calling into your show and recording a high audio quality audio podcast, and you will get 5 tracks even. You get your host recording, you get the 3 guests and up to 3 guests, and you get the mix down. So if you are looking to save some time on post-production, you can also just do a live production of your podcast and be done. But you can go in and have all 4 tracks available for your preferred audio post-production program. Achim also showed you our integration for mimoLive with X keys, which is a nice way to have physical keys controlling mimoLive. And this is also in the 5.2 beta 1 if you want to check it out. And we did a quick technology demo on the social media PolMeP service, which is an overlay for Twitch streamers, and you can also use that in mimoLive using the web browser source, which we've covered. And I hope that it was an interesting stream for you guys, and we answered a lot of questions, and thank you for watching. And Achim, I hope we will find that crash log and fix the problem, and hopefully the next stream will be in a couple of weeks, and then we'll tell you all about the new stuff. All right. Thank you for watching, and
thank you.
bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.